Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your favorites list in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. We tap on the little icon. And here in the profile menu, as you can see at the top, there is the favorite items little button. We tap on this, and then this is going to show us the items that we added to our favorites list. If we want to add more items to this list, we can just browse on, check for other things that we might like, and just add it to our list by tapping the little heart in the bottom right corner, or just tapping on the article and tapping on favorite on the bottom. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.